So this is my latest addition to my vintage fleet. Built about the same sort of time as my T3 camper. It's a polo breadvan, which I think is a really cool looking vehicle. So we're going to be getting this one back to, not back to its former glory, but we're going to keep its character, keep its interior. And that's where I want you guys to come in. Obviously I can do the weld repairs and tidy it up, and the mechanical repairs. But in terms of wheels, I'm definitely going to put coilovers on it. But in terms of wheels and the look, I'm not going to go shiny and resprayed. I'm going to make it look quite honest and almost ratty. I'm going to leave the dents and bangs in it, keep its character. And that's where you lot come in. If you can give me some clues, some ideas, where to find wheels, nice good mods for them, jump on board. And probably going to diarise this and keep everybody informed on how Brady the breadvan gets on.